Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube. We are talking SHIB today. In yesterday's video, we were speculating that we might be getting ready to see SHIB 2 to 3x. Now, we did have this glorious bull flag pull with pennant that formed, and it appears to be paying off. Now, with that said, there are two things kind of going on right at this moment. So we can see that the bulls are driving this candle up and the bears are stripping it down. Now this seems to be an important resistance level within SHIB. So we can see price action here really reacted with this area that we see the full bodiness of this candle coming up to. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just draw a little horizontal line right about here. And in the grander picture, if we do see SHIB price retract slightly, we might see this bull flag, or this bull pennant, turn into a nice little ascending triangle to propel SHIB on and upwards. But I would rather see SHIB just kind of cruise right through this trend line right now, because we don't need the risk of triple tops at this level. So I'm kind of curious by default as to what kind of Fibonacci levels we are running into. So let's go ahead and throw up a little extension here. Bear with me 1 second, folks. I just want to make sure that I get this right on the money. And so you can kind of see that we are somewhat reacting with the 786. This is a great sign to see price action above this right now. So that is huge. And we may be making this next stop up to this 0.00003527-ish region for this retest here, which will be very important. So with that said, I do think at the moment SHIB is looking good price action sitting atop of the 50 moving average, and this might be getting ready to make another run upwards. So looking promising. Let's just go ahead and imitate a potential landing point for SHIB. And let's just go ahead and throw this maybe right about, let's just throw this right in here. So this is kind of where we are lifting off now. If this thing starts ripping again, I could easily see this 0.00005359-ish level. But we'll have to wait and see what Bitcoin, things like that are doing. We can see right now Bitcoin dominance is on the rise here, especially in the last couple hours. So that's important to note. Bitcoin here on the daily chart, or on the 1 hour chart, you can see how this little ascending triangle was playing out, and it'll be interesting to see if Bitcoin is able to blow through this upper trend line of this larger rising wedge that nobody is talking about except for me. And so, we might be seeing a $60,000 Bitcoin soon, possibly by October 19th. So within the next 8 to 9 days, Bitcoin may be ranging anywhere from 57,000 to 60,000, just my guess. But I do think that currently, if we do not see Bitcoin reverse at this trend line, we will be going higher. And if it pulls a reversal at this trend line, that will be very bad, and we will be looking for a double top again off this trend line somewhere up in here. So this is going to be a very important next week or two for Bitcoin. We might be seeing this thing run a little bit, which would provide a little bit of health and security to the rest of the cryptoverse. But with that said, Bitcoin dominance rises. Some of the altcoin do lose value. So that's it for SHIB today, folks. We're going to be talking CKB in the next video. We'll catch you guys on the flip side. Big thank you and shout out to all the Patreons for supporting the channel. $3 a month. Get your name, YouTube channel name, business name up on this banner. We'll see you guys on the next one.